Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is Daily and thank you so much for watching. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a mascara review for you guys. My very first YouTube video that I ever uploaded was actually a mascara review on the Lancome Hypnose mascara. So I have here the Australis Fake It Black Volumizing Mascara. So I don't really use a lot of Australis products, which is no diss to the brand. It's just that it's a company and a makeup brand that I've never really used. But I saw this mascara the other day when I was shopping and I love a good mascara and it was super affordable, so I thought, why not review it for you guys? It's been a while since I've done a dedicated product review and I love mascaras. Like, mascara and base products are two of my favorite things, so yeah, I thought, why not review this for you guys? So I think I paid $13 for this mascara. And I actually couldn't find a lot of information on it. The only thing I could really find was, so the product details on the website says, Australis Fake It Volumizing Mascara has an antioxidant-rich black formula that is packed full of lash-loving goodies to strengthen, lengthen, and lift lashes without clumping or smudging. And the product features a vegan-friendly, antioxidant-rich, strengthen, length, and lifts lash, reduces clumping and smudging. So that's pretty much all the info that I could find on this product. So yeah, this is what the uni carton here looks like. Nice big bold text there. Packaging itself is just a nice sleek black tube, and it's got Fake It written nice and bold there just on top. It's pretty standard to any other mascara wand. It's actually really light feeling. The packaging's not too heavy or anything like that, so just your general type of plastic, but that's what you're kind of getting for with drugstore products. But it's not about what the packaging's like, it's how it performs. So let me show you guys the wand really quickly. I love that sound. Okay, so I don't know if I have a default one or if it's supposed to be like this, but there is a slight bend right there where the actual wand bit starts. So you've got like this part here and then there's a little bit of a bend. So I don't know if that's like default in the packaging or if that's the way it is supposed to be. But this is what the wand looks like here. Too Faced Better Than Sex, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, they all have very similar wands to this. And this is kind of my preference of a wand, so seems pretty good to me. So yeah, I'm just not sure about that dip. I'm sure you guys can kind of see that there. Hopefully if it is a default, it doesn't affect the way that it actually is, it applies. So yeah, that's what the wand looks like. That's all the information that I have on it. And I think it's time to zoom on in. So I want to be fair to the product. Now, I always curl my lashes. Anybody who is a regular watcher of mine knows that I always curl my lashes. So to be fair to the mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes and go in with a few coats. So I'm hoping you guys are nice and close. You can see everything here. And I've got this Benefit blush thingy here, and I'm just going to use the mirror in this to kind of see what is happening. So I've got my mirror and I've got my curler. So I'll just start off with this eye here first. And I like to give them a good pinch right at the base and a few squeezes. Now I have pretty long lashes naturally, so that's good for me. Okay, so I've just dipped into the product just once and I'm going to apply. So that's one coat of the mascara. Honestly, first coat, it's looking pretty natural. It's definitely given length and volume, not as much as I would like, but that's okay. We'll go in with a second coat. I usually do 2 to 3 coats. So I'll just give a good dip in here, and this kind of has a funky smell. I didn't really notice it when I first opened up the packaging, but now that I'm applying it to my eye and it's a lot closer to my nose, I don't know, there's a bit of an, it's not like it smells off, but it just doesn't smell very nice. It kind of smells really chemically and yeah, it doesn't smell very good. So just a side note in case smells bother you. So let's go in with a second coat and see if we can kind of build this up. I'd like to see a little bit more volume and see how much more length I can get. It's not clumping, which is great. I hate it when mascaras clump together. It's really hard to fix that. But I don't want super spidery lashes either, just that perfect kind of in between. So I'm definitely getting a lot more volume, and just overall the appearance is looking a lot better now with second coat. So that's great. I was a little worried after the first coat, but things are looking better. And I know I'm getting this all over the place, guys, all over my eyelid, but I'll just simply wait for it to dry and then I will just flick that off. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that. It doesn't really feel like it's building too much more. So I'm just gonna give that a second and then I'm gonna clean up all of this mess all over my eyelid. I've never been great at being too particular, being too careful when applying my mascara, but that's fine. Nothing a Q-tip cannot fix. So straight away, I really don't like the smell of this. It does smell a bit funky, but it definitely is building as far as volume and length goes. It doesn't seem to be too flaky. The formula isn't too wet, but it's also a little bit drier than some of my more favorite formulas. Three of my kind of all-time favorite mascaras would have to be the Too Faced Better Than Sex, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which are pretty much complete dupes for each other, and then the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara is definitely one of my newer favorite mascaras. I also have a dedicated review to that mascara, so I'll link it down below. I think what I'll do is I'll wait for this to dry. We'll do a coat on the other eye and then we'll give some final thoughts. So it's not terrible. Like, I'm not liking it, but I don't know if I'm 100% down for the formula, but for the price, it's doing pretty good. So now I'm just gonna come into the other eye here. My biggest concern is that smell. Like, it is just lingering. Okay guys, that is one coat. Give it a second. We'll go in with the second coat. It's definitely not clumping together, which is great. I love a formula that doesn't clump. And it is separating the lashes nicely. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm just gonna give it a second and I'm gonna let this dry so that I can get off all of the mascara off my eyelids, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, I am back and I'm just gonna get in nice and close here for you guys and just show you the mascara up nice and close so you can kind of see everything. Final thoughts. I do like it. I just don't know if I absolutely love it. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is the L'Oreal mascara that I was talking about just before. So I wanted to show you guys the wand on this one. So it's a little thicker and the formula is a bit of a thicker kind of formula as well. So the Fake It one, I think the formula on this one is a little bit more liquidy, a little bit more runny than what it is on the L'Oreal one. So, and like I said, this is like one of my top 3 ultimate favorite mascaras of all time. I don't think that little dip in it in any way affected the way the mascara performed. Like I said, I don't know if that is a default in the product or if that's how it's supposed to be, just because this is my first time ever trying out this mascara. And I do like it. Like, it's definitely given me length, it's given me volume, like you guys could see. But if I was to compare to my other kind of favorite, especially like drugstore wise, I still think that this one is more of a winner for me. So it's not that this is a bad product, it's just, it's not my favorite. That smell too was quite off-putting. I can't smell it anymore, which is great, but when you open it up, it's just like, it has this really, really god awful chemically kind of smell to it. So I don't know, it's definitely not bad for the price. It definitely performs. You get length, you get volume. It doesn't clump, I'll give it that, and it has separated my lashes really nicely. So I don't think you would be disappointed if you pick this up, but my preference still for drugstore would have to be this one here by L'Oreal. So, you know, I wouldn't say I wouldn't use this again, but this one is definitely my fave. So yeah, if you guys do see the Australis Fake It and you're thinking about picking it up, I don't think you guys would be too disappointed, but my honest opinion, if you were wanting a drugstore recommendation, I'd totally go for the L'Oreal ones. So the super quick video for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. I haven't done a mascara review in a little while, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'll have everything listed in the bottom bar down below, any videos that I mentioned, and yeah, that's it. So thanks so much again, guys. I'm gonna catch you in my next video. Bye.